Hey guys, it's Milton Andrade and I'm bringing you one of my latest listings here at Brickell Place, 1901 Brickell Avenue. We're in Unit B1209 and I'm showing you this property because I want to show you the truth, the reality. This is about almost 2,200 square foot of living space. We're sharing the Skyline with the St. Regis residences that's under construction and with the Santa Maria residences here in Brickell. And you can see the beautiful skyline of Brickell. But what we're in is in South Brickell, old vintage Brickell, in an older building that has had all their concrete restoration done, some still underway. A lot of the work has already been completed. This unit has a lot of space, but I'm gonna show you the truth. Currently, because it's about 1 o'clock on a weekday, you've got construction. You can hear it. It's loud. This is the truth. But it ends at 5 o'clock. It doesn't begin till after 9. And what you see here is potential. You've got the downtown skyline. You've got the Bay of Miami. We've got dining room, kitchen with an eat-in kitchen area. Could be completely opened up to be an expansive unit. We've got a half bathroom with a washer and dryer, a storage closet, huge, plus this comes with storage. And we've got bedroom number 1, access to the balcony. Bedroom number 2, floor to ceiling windows, full bath, makeup area, a full bathroom with a Roman tub, a walk-in shower, a walk-in closet, an extra closet, another closet, lots of closets, and floor to ceiling windows with a view of the bay. For $560 a square foot, this is being sold under replacement value. So if you're looking for a deal, you've got patience and you've got vision, this is the unit. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, washer and dryer inside the unit. You can't beat it at the price for Brickell. Call me now, Milton Andrade, your Brickell expert. I'm here to answer all your questions.